Oh my goodness. I have to tell you, this is decadent. This is like walking into a five-star hotel and you just, oh, it's intoxicating. Well, my name is Diana, and I was actually sent this. I guess it's like an essential oil, fragrance oil, in return for this video. I have so many different ways I can use this. This is something that you might want to consider if you're looking for a way to upgrade your home without spending a fortune. This just changing the smell will have a big impact. So let's go over everything and see if this is a fit for you. The scent is inspired by Santal, so think sandalwood, cedar, and a hint of cardamom. It's cozy but sophisticated, not overpowering, just that subtle, lingering aroma that makes you want to take a deep breath and relax. You can use it in any diffuser, reed, ultrasonic, electric, or get creative with candles, soap, even a little in your laundry for that extra touch. I've even added a drop to a cotton pad and tucked it in my car. A little goes a long way because this oil is pure, never watered down. The amber glass bottle keeps it fresh. Plus, it's pet friendly, vegan, and made in the USA, so you can feel good about using it every day. Some common questions people have is it overpowering? No, not at all. When you've got a really good quality scent, when it's just lingering there and it's not like, oh, what is that? It's like, ooh, what is that? You want to lean into it. And that's what this is like. But definitely there. And it does continue because it's a really pure oil. It's going to last a long time. As far as can you travel with it? Yeah, this actually comes in all sorts of sizes. This is like the jumbo size. I have different, like I said, different things I can put this in, but you can get the smaller sizes for travel. So if you're looking for an incredible fragrance oil for all your devices and all your different, projects you're working on, definitely check this one out.